What's up guys? In this video Top New Tech presents 5 best cheap drone in 2020. Through extensive research we have put together all the products in a list. So like the video, share your ideas in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The 5th number is Holystone Drone. With Holystone Drone, get perfect sky view from the FPV real-time transmission, and 720p HD camera helps you capture every scene. With the simple press of a button this drone will rise to a height or land, and no need to worry about orientation under headless mode, perfect for beginners. One click to share interesting photos and video to your social net. With this drone, you can drawing a flight course on the touch screen on your smartphone, the drone will fly accordingly. This function allows the drone to maintain a hands-free hover in midair. It allows an easy, stable, flight experience, making this a perfect drone for beginners. Come with 2 modular batteries, offers up to 24 minutes flying time, USB cable port, convenient and safe for charging anytime. This drone is available on Amazon in a cheap price. The 4th number is JJRC Drone. This drone comes with 2 drone batteries in the package. Your flight time is prolonged up to 40 minutes. Optimized 720p camera with anti-shake table, 45 degrees adjustable angle, with anti-shake table, video recordings is smooth and stable. Enjoy the flying and stably record wonderful moments from the air with awesome perspective. The FPV real-time transmission and built-in Wi-Fi module, you'll get a live video of your camera on your phone, making it easy and convenient to share to your friends directly. Headless mode and altitude hold for easier operation, which makes the drone easier to play. This drone features such as 1-key start, landing, emergency stop, 3D flips, high middle low speed switch and luminous LED lighting assure maximum excitement and flying fun. This drone is available on Amazon in a cheap price. The 3rd number is JJRC Drone. The JJRC Drone is equipped with a 120 degrees wide-angle 720p HD camera including adjustable angle, which captures high-quality video and clear aerial photos. 1 key set high, you can accurately lock the height and location. Stable hover, there is very convenient to shoot from multiple angles. Fly the drone to a height over 2 meters, press the 3D flip button and push the right control stick to any direction to flip the drone 360 degrees to accordingly direction, provide stunt arrow show. The gravity sensor mode enables the drone to move following the direction you move your smartphone. With 1 key takeoff and landing, pressing button to make the drone's engine start or land steadily, which is very convenient for beginners. The drone allows switching 3 speed, low, medium and high speed. This drone is available on Amazon in a cheap price. The 2nd last number is Terrawing Drone. This Terrawing Drone has built-in 6-axis gyro based on 4 channels, ensures a stable and fast flight. With Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission, headless mode, 1 key 360 degrees flip with simply pressing 1 button, perfect and marvelous performance will be found with continuous rolling. It makes this drone ideal for adults, beginners, and pilots of all skill levels. Once the fuselage direction cannot be recognized, it can enter headless mode so as to continue the flight. Headless mode makes this drone more suitable for the beginners. With colorful flashing lights, enables a night flight, keeps your drone fly excellently at night. The flashing lights also make the drone more easily to be identified at night. This drone is available on Amazon in a cheap price. And on the last we have Snapn Drone. Snapn Drone is user-friendly. Simply press 1 button, it will take off, land or return to your command. Smart voice control, headless mode, and the fascinating 360 degrees flips and rolls come handy even for the drone newbies. The Snapn Drone provides video transmission within a range of up to 80 meters. Edit HD footage and directly upload it to social media from your smartphone. Protective propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. High-quality ABS material to free your worries of a sudden shock or drop. Altitude hold function ensures a steady hover in the air at a certain altitude. Trajectory flight function is the newest technology that by drawing a flight course on the touch screen on your smartphone, the drone will fly accordingly. A built-in G-sensor is designed to allow controlling the drone by adjusting the vertical and horizontal position of your smartphone via the Snapn Era app. This drone is available on Amazon in a cheap price. For more information about all the products, check the links in the description box. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.